Who are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Aditya. What is your name? My name is Abhishek. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your father name? What is your mother name? What is your father name? My father name Mahadev Gatte. What is your mother name? My mother name is Meenakshi. What is your favorite food? My favorite food badam. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish rice. What is your brother name? Adyan. What is your sister name? Priyanka. What is your brother name? Omkar. What is your sister name? My sister name is Priyanka. Bye. Bye. Hello.
Hi, hello.
What is your mother name? My mother name is Kamal. What is your father name? My father name is Raju. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What is your favorite dish? What is your favorite dish? पुरणपोळी. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? My father's name Santosh. What is your sister name? My sister name Shubhangi. What is your brother name? My brother name Vedant. Where do you live? Shindewadi. I live Shindewadi. Bye. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. What is your name?
Jojo.
My name is Vedika. What is your father's name? My father's name Mahavir. What is your name? My name is Yogita. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Rajeshri. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish gulab jamun. What is your favorite color? My favorite color pink. What is your favorite color? My favorite color pink. What is your brother name? My brother name Vaibhav. What is your sister name? My sister name is Vedika. Thank you.